Welcome to AER Int channel, and welcome back to Surfacing course. In this lecture, we're gonna show how to work with trim surface. So let's go to Surfaces tab, and let's choose here Trim Surface. We have two types of trim surface. We have standard and mutual. In this lecture, we're gonna look at a standard trim type, and here we have two tabs. First tab is Trim Tool. For Trim Tool, we can choose surface like this. We can use a plane, so we can choose a plane here, front, top, right, or we can create a new plane, and we can use a sketch. So as we see, we have a line here. So first, let's choose a surface. Let's choose this surface, like this. And then in the second tab, we have to select pieces that we want to keep. So here we have a check, Keep Selections. If we click on the Remove Selection, then here we have choose pieces that we want to remove. But let's go first with Keep Selections. So now we use this surface as a trim tool, as it's written here. And now we have to select which pieces we want to keep. For example, we want to keep this one. Let's choose this one. And now we see that this part that we want to keep is purple. And now let's click OK. And now we see that we have this part and this surface. And everything that's below that surface, it's gone, as we see. If we go back to our surface trim, right click, Edit, we can choose this one. And we can go to this one and delete. Now let's click OK. And now we got this result. So everything that's above the surface is gone. Let's edit. And now let's try with Remove Selections. So let's click this. And now we have this. This purple will be removed. So let's click. And now we see that everything that's below the surface is removed. Let's edit. So it's up to us how we're gonna use it. If we're gonna use Keep Selections or Remove Selections. Let's delete this. And now instead of surface, let's use some planes. So let's right click, delete, and let's choose, for example, let's go with front plane. So we have a front plane in this position, as we see. And now let's go to this tab, and now let's choose pieces that we want to remove. For example, we can choose this and this. Now as we see, the purple part will be removed. Let's click OK. And now we got this result. So now we used a plane as a trim tool. Let's go Edit. Let's clear a selection. And let's, for example, let's choose only this. And OK. And now we see we didn't count this surface. Let's go back. And the same thing, we can go with Keep Selections. And then choose whatever we want to keep. For example, this and this. And now we're gonna keep this one and this one. Let's click OK. And this is the result. Okay, let's go back. Let's delete this, clear our selections, and let's delete this plane. Now we're gonna choose a sketch. So we have this line here. Let's choose this line. This sketch. Now as we see, this line goes from here to here, and then from here to here. Now here, we can also choose Keep Selections, pieces that we want to keep. Now we can go like this, and this. Now we can see where is the line. And let's click OK. And now we got this result. Let's go back. Let's clear our selection. Let's go with Remove Selections. So we want to remove, for example, now only this one, this part, and let's click OK. And now we got this result. So this is standard type of the surface trim. As a trim tool, we can use a surface, a plane, or a sketch. And we can select the pieces that we want to keep, or that we want to remove. In the next lecture, we are gonna look at the type new tool. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like. I hope it can be a little helpful and useful.